Ghana anthem. 2 lines with the awami.
Oh, Laminum ye. I've read.
Okay.
I've read myself in Ghana.
Okay, back to mommy.
That's it. I was gonna you for your country, the nation, the mass, and your voice. Let us all unite and approach and make and great and strong. We are, we are, we are, we are. In the master
Nam SS match in Nankasa, by the 4 beko, a molly 4 beko, body 4 beko, a juma 4 beer beko, na first in Impomami become mole, Waka molena, who are 2 molena say, na sono, na molly tada, so na molly as in a match, board 18 in 6 match affair, and yet.
Odan CTC TV. The American piano of Anissa. Odan for Najatum. Tell party. What I say, Wajatum. Tell party. Party Ajatum. Odan for Jimudi. Monty Tum. City TV. City TV. COMOAKU. City TV. I want a place. Blaster place. Ghana local place. All of the City TV. City na. Keko.
We never managed to say.
You never will pronounce it.
Your friend, my young voice.
The former Hinana Quatifa.
And now create independence. Maybe see a question back from you.
Any you say Ghana for any of family.
Wait me a famous quote me a quan of Makaya. I did it.
You be brave.
Fiber.
Be brave, no problem back where I want to say. The coming from a bay and any day and penny for no more back on no more to us. I'm not coming from my dear, the boy gun and your cowboy gun and you. So, Omodian boy, so Omodian boy, your daughter coming from my dear, and penny for no more dear. It's me, coach now canoe, the NDC for dear hall, and I'm going to piece with you. Coming from my dear, and penny for not 20, yet money a refi.
Okay, it would you wait me a cabin.
Okay, they meet me. I can say NDC 1111. You see, and China Ghana baby, take you so train.
Thank you. I'm patching with
I'm patching your friend, Reverend Ike.
On our citizen TV, you know, say, and how we are independent, we never see baby some question. Okay. Which is the Ghana enough
Okay, you kind of. See, I share on history there, because we're independent, but practically, you're independent. Because you should depend on our brother. You do Kananka in some number fire. When you cry, you appreciate my day, you get alcohol, woman. On paper, on records, you're independent, but practically, you're independent.
Professor Beto, the national play, 2 lines.
And you appreciate that.
Okay, yeah, that's it. If I show, I didn't know if I say Ghana, you said independence.
Okay, you can be independent. You do so to independent will be so. To say, if I, for example, maybe a Madrid, semi independent, semi coming mammy who could discuss some better than Yedi. Semi coming papa could discuss some better than Yedi. Custom and timid motion providing him here, but Ghana and Yanni providing him be a crack. It's independent American on records on paper. History, the HSA independent, but practically you're independent. But be independent where you do. Depending on your phone, so you should have Ghanaian say you took a Ghana qua. HSA is slaves, and I can say a dear home for some fire in slaves. Into the reason to America and say, Minion who say independent impact, their brain, and I'm Fasodia, and their brain as a Ghanaians. I bet him the say we say independent country. Because you go air sofa, you go to can echo about foreign chain. You policy papa bia you pay for education for their my na me agya tum say you to no you independent panti you bit me dia ho so I provide you me hia yen it ma agya tum say independent nti independent do mo kan de mo celebrate the bet youth ni abrabo yi life ni hu sa impact no na yetima gi atum ti me nkwa de on practical me nyintum say independent until the meeting aka fa mo
today na independent dey win celebrity
the case will be celebrity there say you need special ebi eko celebrity ba na nka say independent was special day be this celebrity but and then obi a won adwuma mu be for government work na mom holiday meeting akotre fi sem di holiday but and nka say me celebrity bibi yes celebrity we say the whole nation ya get obi nko obi ma ena ye ko ba bi se ko celebrity but ade a nipa ko kakra bi government workers na gitu mi say omo celebrity independent say yenye independent ampa we independent the whole nation na ebeka so bi antre fi nanka yen celebrity mo so France bi ti fi na bi ye adwuma na say yenye nyina na ye independent ti mi ti maka fon
so your friend me Esther Mayan
My family is not inside my baby. Ghanaian now so
that's it. And that way independence never perceive the same issue. Okay. You can say independence. Okay, independence. Kenya baby.
in 1957.
Okay. And then independence. If you are never plan or when you say the baby they are celebrating independence.
Minya topa na midi na makai.
Good morning. Hey, yeah.
Your friend or that's okay. And that way independence, you person is your question 1 or 2.
Oh, okay.
Basically, we say, Senka Ghana ye nipa. If I be say, we sikeni. Oye, obone humode, and I say,
Oh, is any?
then I'll say Ghana a skin.
Oh, at least your 1 or 2. Our hands, like I say, is can.
You might be to say that.
Say, yeah, we say at least golden diamond. Until is can.
And I independence. If you never found out what you celebrate.
Maybe a cow. A bank can yen sensing when you are home any consume I tree aboom. No,
But you're saying,
I'm not the moon.
your friend my young nephew was saying,
Patron the door is dark.
Pacho feet, and now,
Patron me for maybe a son.
okay. And I go independence, maybe send me some question 1 or 2 people.
Patron is
So what's the big 6 then?
Patron.
Okay, we won't be near 17.
Aka. And oh, the father for family. I say, yes.
Okay. What is animal that arise Ghana youth for your country? Okay. And to national pledge, first 2 lines. First,
Madam, you are the assembly bow. Madam, you are the assembly bow.
First 2 lines.
God bless you.
Baby,
Yeah.
I promise on my honor.
Hey, I never knew. And the bed.
God bless you. So wait me at Papa.
God bless our man. Now there's also a dear some of the God bless our man. And may our next to be fair short. Oh, to fight forever. Never find and the front.
Thank you.
Good morning. Yeah, I'm ready. If you're down here,
So what about Ghana? Net NSU independence. Okay. If I chose big 6, the big 6. Bonipa be
I'm in Kuruma. A beach bilante.
but your person over to national 2 lines.
I dey MP program to mentor na me am it am it matter.
Morning. Na me adumo na also. If you are children na
Okay, Ghana ni na na independence day. You ever see anybody can
nothing.
o say Ghana dey edin fie bebree and president bebree na abako. Obetumi abbo president na abetwe be esebit.
Mahama I can say when is abako. Mahama abako. And another so abako.
Ghana your anthems bebree any place. Person obeto ebi baako. National anthem for place.
I need them batch on the meji.
So they should have two first two lines.
Oh, I did them.
Try.
I did
Yeah, that's some picture good morning. I share from my saying
Someone.
that you're with me.
Oh, no, not to me.
I hope so.
I'm not almost so.
And I call independence day. Maybe some question. See, we a chance not so be a president just a day. And then I be so be change.
Well, make sure you know my brain. A bit is a more yeah, probably parliament, you know. A bit more and is level because I don't know what the politics and I don't know from every. What I say, I don't know from the pre, and I remember bro, I'm making you know my by the end keep on because of my eye off from no, I'm too to be any. Until I dream to my phone or I dream no, enough. What I say, a bit more.
And I independence, yeah, the under town of the percent would be the celebrity that high over my Ghana.
Let me know, maybe a top, mankin, top. So it be that. Who need that? When there's only Ghanaian,
you can any crack.
and I only thought that. What's not class?
Maybe a cocody.
No. Only your papa. What's not class?
But the classic.
And I only thought that.
Okay, yeah, that's it.
Oh, my morning.
Your friend Maya.
But your friend Ibrahim, did you not friend Messi?
Other citizen TV. Okay. And now we are independence. If I say maybe so 1 or 2 days. Say, when you chance to say who be a president. Problem back what be here for
Okay. Say we will be sending the same problem, but please me na kunya. Say me as the president now. In fact, me and your man, I will do the good thing. The man who say. Sabi my idea I push to Kwana say you know say do Kwana one way they won't vote for choosing me and I hear American so now they sure say wow so no better as in America.
Okay, is it a problem
okay, problem happen say let it thing am so very good me ma on my phone say who say president na me you know me born my even our school fees. The man will do the DNA and the Amutoni and the Mediterranean Maswa. They are then on the almost celebrating my home in Senegal in an ever wine. So one, San and Car. SME.
But you ever say back to a national pledge of first wise now.
God bless our home, Ghana. Make our nation great and strong. Go to defend forever. Madam, I think I watch it.
Fine morning.
A
friend for Juchi. You don't have friend blood you care dawa.
but you're not free.
But I'm for Dan Quanta.
Why Ghana and that's why independence day. Ever see a baby some question 1 or 2.
Wow, wait here, sir.
Okay. Yeah, Ghana flag no represented them. It's
Oh, say Ghana shares so dear. But I say, Chelsea, Ufri Ghana, and I say, we are Ghana name.
Why not compose national flag?
And from what?
Okay.
Very nice question.
Good morning.
Now,
Now, go on Adam now, sir.
but you're going to
If I'm Eugenia,
but you're
if you're down here,
So ako ye Ghana ni na NSA independence day. Me person e bisa question number 2.
Okay.
Obetimi aka say Ghana ye nipa. Obetimi aka say oyo hieni, sikeni, otumpo ana waila kwa.
Ghana is Kenny.
Then e ma Ghana ye sikeni.
Ya wonyama bebre wa mai mo e ma Ghana e use Kenny.
Obetimi abobo the big 6 ni.
Atija. Obi chebi lamte. Ado down kwa. J A
Okay, that's it.
Yeah, about I want to say.
Nyame aduna so.
I don't know.
Mepacho, your friend Maya and your friend say.
Mepacho, your friend, my sister, yeah.
But you also fi Ghana there.
Yeah, we are one.
And na ko ye independence dey. E be see ebisa question kakra. I'm sure when you Africa kakra. And our independence ni a celebrate bebre when you bebre. Okay, so far no, Osha Ghana economy na economy.
Ghana the economy, economy da. Ghana, send ye beto no Ghana economy. Yenko ye nim.
This na okasa.
Ntina me kasa che say ye beto Ghana se Ghana wo. Nka enema nka ti se NSS match kura. Enema ye behu ni ye bebre. Ene ye nema bebre film. Ene kura hu se na ye Independence Day. Ene hu se ye Independence Day. Nti Ghana de say enema bebre asan na chi.
Enema be na odwin se first ni ye asese eni ye won bi.
Nka first for 6 match nka nkwala nyina be kwa match wo park so. This ne ahemfo ne nema bebre be kwa park no so na chese wani beje eso ne ye yiyim ye si school we baako school we nti ase 6 match no ye hu ne da biem.
Okay, so se ene no Kwame Nkrumah oje Ghana si wo no ba bi mu a ohwa na ni beje se oje o ma si
obe su papa Kwame Nkrumah se kra ne ra ho baby o kra ne ra
be pese obeto national pledge first line mami.
National pledge God bless her.
I promise on my honor.
Okay. Mami, I promise on my honor to be faithful and loyal to Ghana, my motherland. I pledge myself to the service of Ghana with all my strength and with all my heart. I promise to hold in high esteem our heritage won for us through the blood and toil of our fathers.
That's it. And I'm patch on my chin.
Ya me de.
Patch on it is saying.
Eye.
Patch on ufi.
If you dan he ya.
Ako ye Ghana ni na ye independence. E be pese ye no be hwehwe ko 1 or 2 bi. You say, sure when you Africa ka. President bebre na abesi no. Okay. President Ben na ohwa na memu no. Unya yanka e bebu ne ende.
Oh, President dear nka minyaya ye bebu de nka Kwame Nkrumah. Nanso wonti ase de sen de chese twam.
Iti ujidi se Ghana ye nya ya found ye pa.
Anwo de se de ye nya ne sa.
Dey tina na wo ka se unya ya nka be ma Kwame Nkrumah assembly ne president.
Kwame Nkrumah so be ye niam bebre.
Niam bi ti se de.
Oh, be ye se mfa se Adomi bridge ono ye tema habo odimukana oye niam bebre.
But you pese obeto national anthem first 2 lines pe.
Oh, no de mi hu kra.
Na o sha Ghana nyo be na obetimi atusi.
Ade eno. Diyomeyihu Ghana mai wala uzo. Diyomeyihu men kase won fa won edesa.
hear that.
Morning.
Sing.
Ipacho me who you.
Pache feel sing.
Ipacho me the drum mama. The tom by you.
A friend of mine, and that we independence now we're Ghana. Maybe see me be some question 1 or 2.
Martin.
Okay. Osha Ghana, you found deep power.
Pa, you're not toy.
Then I'm all passing.
Say, I'm in common budget for who the any de my. Enti ye ho ye de nso se tem bia fibia mu no match match ne baso a ye nso ye niti meje na mo asem bi twe maso se match nkwala na match mienu ene na menti asofo no nkwala ne ko match nkwala nkete ne ko match nkan fi se nka first tete no a na match na nkasa bayirefo beko emolifo beko bodiefo beko adwumafo bia beko na first ni mpo ma bi kamole waka mole na no atu mole na se na sono na mole tada so na mole ase ni e mache body enwa afia ye hu ni sa ama pe fo no ma ka se samla na ma ye se ye hu se smache no eni so ka me ton ba yire na ka me dim na me to ma basa wa ena ni nyina sesa eti ni se smache afia enye ye de eto mo sa ma ye ko ye chi ni esanko fa tete amane no na no na ya ye be hu se Ghana fa hudie no eye no kra se empanifo gemaye e se ye hu se smart ni ye hu so e bia se ma shatade a migina kasa ble migina park so aso bayire na me to mensa e se ni nyina ma e to ma ye se empanifo no tete no omo me se mu kompo ehwe ya chi na tete amane no enya dwuma ye se ya to ni nyina gu akola bi wo kra se smart ko hu bi da tika fie ko be hu se ne maame sonwa ne maame so bode ne maame so wei ne ye mache ne fe bo the pictures bebre go ene ya to ni nyina twene okra ba se hu bi da wa hu bi da wa kakra hu se ye de emole na hu bi da mole tare da so ne dim wa bokase maako ye de haba na afa hu ene bibia la sesa no e de rubber ne yewu.
Okay, Pacho say why a president and just for a day. Near say the or how about free Ghana, then I'll be.
Or how say
Yamao a chance say a nepe fire president. Problem back Ben Pan or share Ghana obey you.
Oh, Nini na mefa e kopim say tete adie yan ton twene. Ase ye sa koyanchi ye ko fatete amane no na ye adwuma e de maye. Yeah. They
Ghana new way. Arise Ghana youth for your country. What is that?
Oh, Mateda.
So wait me at
oh, there be minti me to kakra.
Ghana new be na bit.
Oh, Ghana no no. Je si amoto to twene nti amaye nso ye wura fi. Na ka be na kesi so radio bia match TV so match na wo wura fi kura na wo kakai. Ti me de minti me ntubi.
Eduane be na odi.
Eduane
a odi di akai Ghana.
Oh, anopei mayempi ho edi anopei ansa na me badwom fi se me kai tete eduane se afibia no yenni ye tete eduane ti me medimpi ho ansa na me badwom ti edas
ya wodo we dey akoso etu wa me hu ye papa oh me fi achemada
so what we Ghana ni independence
busame na ye me dadodo busame
ye mo chance say your president e dey or how about the free Ghana
ba ko pa me ye free Ghana sa me hwe se nkwala ayo ba no omode bra papa e be hyase na wie pa na ma Ghana akoso
so se kwame nkomo oji o man si wo eba ena o hwa na ni beje se oji o man si wo an
obenu ne ho pa obenu ne ho pa me menye obi nso nye ye nyina ya dwen nya baako me ya de we be ye papa obi be ye bone me ya de bi amani penna ni age obi nso gireche ha no tete ne sa de na maye amani penna ni age ye nyina ya dwen nya baako enu nti na ama oman Ghana enti me nkonani
Maybe some president now about the NBP.
Oh, Akufo-Addo. Amampanin Kufuor. Ah, papa ne de me pena sam dodo. Amampanin Kufuor, me pena sam dodo. Ah, me hu na mani agye. Yay, be ma papa bi. Ah,
But also national anthem first 2 lines.
national anthem.
God bless them.
God bless the home of Ghana and make our nation great and strong, both to defend forever. The cause of it and the pride to the happy to unity, the prayer, honesty, and help us to resist the resist. And for that way, am I forevermore. Ah.
Fine morning. Debbie, don't say that. No pacho match. When na your tradition when you na ya funny tie ya kono local.
Okay, one patch of my chill.
Ya ba o na we.
Yamia do now swear.
Adom kro ya.
Patch of now.
Me pacho. Kro wa mi fi so ankasa ya agura kwa aman. Na achemu dan ha na me bobra e wa ha.
Okay. And I go independence now you're Ghanaian. Maybe say maybe say 1 or 2 things.
Oh, but to maybe some question bisa.
Okay, Ghana yeah be na onya independence.
Yeah, be. 6 March 19. What you mean? I didn't know me come out 1967. 69. 67. 57, aha.
Okay. Oh yeah, Ghana economy man economy.
Oh. So we share mere ya na nanu wa ba kwasam a wo ka. Abesi sa mere ya na chede. Ghana okonanim. Na nyame aye bia ma Ghana fo papa. Sa na me wu.
Oh yeah, Ghana then am I special na yes room free amanfo.
Ghana the way I yan dressing esite. I just say me be ya obi ahu say me ya Ghana ni. Eti yan dressing e de mufua e wo the whole country na aka no eso.
If I show me person, so what arise Ghana youth for your country?
Aye.
Okay, but your mami.
That's it. Arise Ghana youth for your country. The nation demands and your voice. Let us all unite and approach and make and great and strong. We are born. We are born. We are born in the master land. Asasi ya wo ni chi de wo ho. Yara asasi ni ya body de ha. Hey, I may free the Assam Noko. It's America. Davinia Brofu. Yara assassini. Eya body ni my Bojana Nana Nushegu Aleto or my yan. Adumi ne wususu. Siebe ye biatiasu. Nimbiatiasu koto chrono ni Sami Kuminya. And now I saw Nana Macadam. Ama Sebe. Amano serinye yo, anyasana sa, ama fomra metre.
Okay, so what to new way no? Pepe say yama a chance for just a day.
Uma india uhujan, ana azina lakwa, no bra choze ya soman egbo ya ragra. Atumjani obupa, yankuyi de ipeda, ahofa matete krono ni pebia na yeti. Enona ede asomye de kwaso papre oma no sebeye yo ama no serinye yo aja na ose ama fomra mere
otu new way with assembly womo. Okay, so yama just a day fire president then I'll be free and I said then I'll be yama mine just a day.
Say me find me question no manen question
say yama yakacho say ochina pe fire president then I'll be
me find president me momo de no kura nyame anim you to no amaiwa ne mabuno wadama ko so papa asa me wa konya na me akasa asa me madi nimu no akọ animu a aka youth aja sa oman se be ye na youth so ebe se na youth so se youth fo ya na 7.3 obanhu obi 40 years 60 years no akokoro no bo na okuku nipa na oye sei anu no anse oman no enkran eti se me na me gina hwe na ya amfo a saka what wa ba mam se me meje president kame youth fo ndi kame ni jimon katete kame bua kwa bia menam so ama bua wono kame bua wo mo na fa na ntuma pa efra
Pacho, good morning.
Fine morning.
Pacho, your first say.
Pacho, me dia boarding.
Okay, if me so me the paya. Pacho, na finish.
Pacho, me fraud na frasene.
Okay. Okay, Ghana ni na next year independence. You person make me question 1 or 2.
Inshallah.
Say I'm not a chance to say be president and that. Or have na be you for.
Me you how BS you ho. Or how bia enye bia ese me yifiri ho.
Or how bit
Na me ma to say mpuntu bia enye papa ese me ma say mpuntu ne ma ese me ye puntu me ma ewiase na ye wono ma ewiase na ye fe na ye de ma eni twenso aba ma nkuni me twenso aba
say kwame nkomo oje Ghana si wo ba
ya
na ni beje so oje o ma ni si wa na nrebe
le wura bo mu de ebe hu mu say enye easy sa so I say oh me ma be hu ni de ba to mo chetama na kwame nkura na ewiase na eri je wo ho chese na chese bibia ekoso ba se ne no de akono anya yize sa ke be ni dey be fa ni sa so na me chere no
I'm chere Ghana new leader arise Ghana youth for your country
minim
na Ghana new be na betimi ato
Ghana new betimi ato awurade papa yeso ye go TV so
national anthem to mama
any dey na mento metimi ato
na homeland Ghana
and the meeting to pa me school ma go bi meeting to
na dey wo here
me to nyame nyoma na
the Ghana job and yes
awurade
God bless us
me to
oh obe kai we dey try
God bless me to
na dey na betimi
yes am be ni man kama mamu o
morning
Pacho your family this way
from the fasewa esi
e Pacho na fini
if Akyem Oda
so akoye Ghana ni ya and independence ebe se be say question about 2 okay we are here be na Ghana ya independence
since March
yeah
na menka e Pacho black train am say ade na menka yo
7 obetimi aboko president abako ni sabitiam
Dr. Kwame Nkrumah Yade Asembe Akufo-Addo President Akufo-Addo JB da
Pacho me person obeto national pledge no first 2 lines the German
I promise on my honor to be faithful and loyal to Ghana and motherland. Make a Nina.
yeah that's it good morning
good morning me papa
Pacho
ya madi na hu ye
ya do especially okay Pacho ufe
me free o Akyem Oda he ya
me so me fit action asene and akoye independence na ye nyina we Ghana food the person may be some question 1 or 2 mama Pacho me be say ohwa Ghana economy na economy
oh Ghana konanim pa konanim this ye beto ye na nya sei na tie eniama konanim
okay Pacho ohwa Ghana ye nya independence pa
ebi enya nsi aman bi so no man topa bomb no mototo asile o fa hudie asile na mbo no ma ni se yenya Ghana ye wo fa no
president abesinsi kwani na se emu bi ba ojidi se obamba ni beje se omoboa oman na
oh ya ni beje pa so omaboa oman no president abako nyina obi abeye na dwuma se na yese omaboa ye yie pa nti omu bi eba ye preso so omo beba if so oma beboa ye
Ma, if I show, when I say about the big six of one in pay agent.
Dr. Mame Mkomo. Lay down.
Man, if I show over to the national pledge. Yes, first 2 lines no government.
Emu deɛ
I
nsa.
promise on my honor.
I promise on my honor. Ɛno na mento. Ɔyɛ ma mpakyɛ hɔ ne deɛ mintimi nka.
Na Ghana new we na bit that.
Mama ya Ghana ma ya wala udo. Mama ya menka se onka ho. Mama ya Ghana ma ya wala udo. Mama ya menka se onka ho. Mama ya nyina mo Yefa koya amowa brakoya grago Sikon krechna Moma ye nyina mom Na yefa koya amowa brakoya grago Sikon krechna Morning.
What's your say?
Yami andom na nso e.
What's your friend my answer?
The friend me ohima Esther.
Okay. But your ufi.
Bishwe abo dan ya na me wo.
And now your independence, you see yourself to okay. Nkuma obi anim say nkuma na je Ghana si ana.
Nkuma ya de pa.
So say nkuma ba ene then I'll just be aka fa Ghana.
Oh, but me aka say so far Ghana yakoye nim. Akoye nim pa bibia ekoso fine.
Then I would just say a special e Ghana.
Your how be ni haya suma due obia to atono entokwa bia ni Ghana no krade eye tie no hye ni age ho
Me pe say obeto national anthem first 2 lines. Everybody. National anthem first 2 lines.
God bless our homeland Ghana and make our nation great and strong, bold to defend forever.
Thank you.
Morning.
If I'm my person.
Fatal.
But you said this all my part. Okay. And I call independence in it. We can say we some fishing 1 or 2. Okay. If you are Ghana, you have found it.
You have found it. Say I have 2 say and I have found it. I have 2. See, I was sure I say Ghana, you have 59 years. Somewhere 69 years. You saw I couldn't grant.
So, what you in Ghana? Ya, a conny man as a college.
Ghana as a corner bench.
Madam, good morning.
Good morning.
What you say?
I'm here to Monasu.
Your family is my young
A friend Belinda.
Okay, your mama over or dance to and I play independence here. You say this is our question. And you say independence are Texas.
Then I let's say independence here. Ghana Fahudi. And then Ghana in your Fahudi or
Pacho, Mesha say, Obeto Ghana anthem 2 lines in the hour.
Oh, na minimum year. I prayed.
Okay.
I prayed myself in Ghana.
Just 2 lines, babe. God bless our homeland.
God bless our homeland, Ghana, and make our nation great and strong, bold to be faithful, never the cross of freedom and